Hello everyone, welcome to the Python Bootcamp course. In this course, we will learn about the basics of Python. So let's get started. What is Python? Python is a strong, flexible, and all purpose programming language. It is a high level language, so it is clear as simple to read. Now, what is the meaning of high level language? Basically, when we are going to write the programs in Python, the programmers don't have to worry about the low level details like how they are going to manage the memory. They just need to concentrate on the solutions of the current problem at hand. Python has the ability to perform any task. Python is a language for you if you are into data science, machine learning, or web development. Moreover, Python is open source. It means anyone can freely distribute it, read the source code, and even use the code to write new free programs. Now, let's discuss the history of Python. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum at CWI in Netherlands. Python was chosen as the name because the inventor was a major fan of the BBC television program Monty Python's Flying Circus, and he wanted a short name for the language that he was developing. So he chose the name Python from there. Now let's discuss some of the features of Python, that why Python is widely used nowadays. The first feature of Python is it is simple and easy to learn. Basically, if what is the meaning of this? When you are going to write any program in Python, it can be interpreted in the simple English language. There is the syntax of Python is not so difficult. It seems like that you are reading a normal English language. So basically, this makes Python just pick anyone because this language is easily understood. The next feature of Python is flexible. Python is very flexible, means it can support a wide variety of applications ranging from a simple text program to the web development or making the websites. Third one is interactive. Python programs can be written in interactive mode. That is, you can easily debug any of the program in Python. If you want to test any of the code, you can easily test the code in Python in interactive mode. More details we'll be covering in the later sections. The next point is Python is portable. What does that mean is you can run the Python program on a wide variety of platforms and has the same interface on all platforms. The next feature is object oriented. Python supports both procedural as well as object oriented style of programming. Object oriented programming techniques helps to implement the OOP concepts, that is your encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, data hiding, etc. Next is Python is an interpreted language. Interpreted means Python executes every line one by one when we are going to write the code. When we are going to do the demonstration, we will see the difference between interpreted language and a compiled language. Next is extensive libraries. Python has a huge library that is easily portable, and these library functions are compatible on the different platforms so that you can run a wide variety of applications from normal text program to GUI based programming. The next is garbage collection. Now, the Python supports the concept of garbage collection. It means if any variable goes out of scope or is no longer required, it is automatically get into the or stored into the garbage collection. That means we don't need to take care of the memory. It helps in saving the memory as well. The next is applications of Python. Python supports a huge variety of applications. The first one is embedded scripting language. Now, Python language is used as an embedded scripting language for various testing or deployment of the framework, scientific apps, etc. Second is Python also supports web development, then GUI based desktop applications, image processing, and graphic design apps are also built in Python language. Next is operating systems. If we talk about, there are various Linux distributions, for example, like Fedora, Red Hat, Enterprise Linux, Anaconda installer basically are written in Python. Next, Python supports the interface for making games also, 3D software, and even due to its easy syntax in business and enterprise apps as well, Python is preferred. Now, installing Python. You can install Python in Windows, in Mac, in Ubuntu as well. The steps for installing in Windows is you need to visit the link python.org/downloads. First, select the version of Python to download. Click on install now. The installation will be done and the software is ready to use. The other way of is the PyCharm. I let you know how to install it in Windows as well. Plus, then later on we'll be shifting to do our programs in PyCharm. Next, installation steps in Mac. First, you need to log in as an administrator on terminal. You need to check the Python version with the help of following command, that is Python hyphen version. You can download the latest version of Python from the official website. You can install with the help of installer command. You can run now Python in terminal and execute the programs. How to install it in Ubuntu? Update the apt repository. How to update? apt-get update. Then install Python, apt-get install Python. Then verify Python. How to verify? Simply write Python, or for the latest version, if you have installed, you can write Python 3. Now let's test your knowledge. Python supports the following types of programming: object oriented, structural, functional, all of the above. Python supports all of the above mentioned programmings. Now, who developed the Python? The answer is Guido van Rossum, and we have already done this in the previous slides. Thank you, everyone.